Hello everyone, welcome once again to another TCS Specific online training conducted by Seven Sense Talent Solution. Let's see what are the topics we are going to cover in this APT class. Today's topics are data arrangements, visual reasoning, Venn diagram, seating arrangements, spatial reasoning, cuts, folds and cubes. These are the topics we are going to cover today. Okay, let us start with data arrangements. In data arrangement, we need to read the question and arrange according to the conditions. Let's solve the first one. Five friends A, B, C, D, E are sitting in a row facing north. North means this direction, right? The following conditions are A sitting to the immediate right of B. A is sitting immediate right of B, right? Yeah. First we need to write A, then B to A's left. That means A is sitting immediate right of B. C is sitting at one of the extreme end. It can be this side or this side. Totally there are five. C can be at this end or this end. Okay. Analyze the next condition. Is D is not sitting at the end. He will be in second, third, fourth position. Which are the end position? 1 and 5 are the end position, but D is in between this 1 to 5. Let us write here D because it is not sitting at any end. E is sitting to the left of D but not adjacent to D. C. E is sitting to the left of but not adjacent to C. It will be here. Let's write B A. We don't know C is which side. It may be at this end or this end. But the statement is E is sitting to the left of D. So, but not adjacent to C. So now, these are the condition, right? So, what will be your answer? Who is sitting in the middle position? D. So, in this, for this question, D is the answer. Okay. Solve the first one. We have to satisfy all the condition when you're doing the seating arrangement. 6 people P, Q, R, S, T, U are sitting in the row facing north. Again, the facing north direction. So let us write 1, 2, 3, 6 positions. Data arrangement and seating arrangement are same. How many are there? 6. So let us write R is sitting immediate right of P. I'll write here. R is sitting immediate right of P. P right side means this side right. That too immediate means next person. So PQ. S is not sitting at any extreme end. S is not here or here. Then Q is sitting second from the left. Let us take this as second. Okay. U is sitting to the left of T but not adjacent to S. U is sitting left of T, that means here, but not adjacent to S. That means S will be here. U is sitting at the extreme end. So U is sitting here, T, extreme right end, that is T. So in this, T is the right answer. Try to solve this question. Okay, we'll solve the second question. 5 friends A, B, C, D, E are sitting in a circle facing the center. That means they are in the circular arrangement and they are facing towards center. Right? How many are there? 5 members. Is it first? Let me write like this so that it will be easy to understand. A is sitting to the immediate left of B. If A is here, B's left side means B will be here. Right? Somewhere I'll write like B here and A. Oh, 1 second. A will be here. So A is sitting immediate to left of B. So that B will be here. Because they are facing towards center. Okay. C is not sitting next to A. Here C is not sitting. C is not sitting here. Okay, then E is sitting opposite to D. That means uh, E and E sitting opposite to D means they are not in the sequence position like this. They are not in this sequence, right? So E will be here. We'll write the directions. 1 second. We'll write the arrangement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. See, D will C is not next to A, so it can be D or E. Okay, D here will write both the alphabets. Opposite to D, it is E or D, right? Next, which one is missing? C is sitting to the immediate right of E. It can be here or here, right? Okay, now what we have to find is who is sitting to the immediate right of E. So let us take that. Let us take, okay, who is sitting between B and D. See here, C is sitting to the immediate right of E. C is sitting to the immediate right. E's right side means this side, right? So then all the alphabets is completed. Yes. Who is sitting between B and D? B, D. It should be A, right? A is the answer. One second. Hmm. Five people P, Q, R, S, and T live on different floors of a building, first to fifth. Five being the top. P lives on the second number four. Okay. P is on second floor. R lives on the top floor. T is immediate below R. That means you're right. Q does not live on the first floor. S live above Q but below P. That means S will be here, Q will be here. If it is 2, then this will be first floor and this will be ground floor. So uh, this is not second floor. P lives on an even number floor. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is what? P. What we have to find? Which floor does P live on? That is second floor. Six boxes A, B, C, D, E, F are stacked one above another from bottom to top. B is above A, like this. B is above A but below C. That means here, right? Then D is just above C. D is just above C. E is at the top, right? F is below the D. Here, right? But above the F is below D, but above B. B is above A, but below. Yeah, this is right. So, this is satisfying all the conditions, right? Say B is above A, but below C. B is above A, but below C. This is satisfying. D is just above C. D is just above C. E is at the top. Yes. F is below D. F is below D, but above. It comes here because D is just above. So your F will be here, right? F below D, F below D, right? But above B. So, which box is at the third position from the bottom? 1, 2, 3. So, answer is F. Right? This is how we need to solve the problems. Puzzle based seating. 6 persons L, M, N, O, P, Q are sitting in a row. Let us think that all are facing towards north. Okay. Then O is at one end. O can be here as well as here, right? Yes. L is to the immediate left of N. If N is here, L will be here, right? Immediate left of L, because all are facing towards north direction. Q is at the other end. Okay. If O is here, Q should be here. If O is this side, then Q will be here. Any one possibilities are there. Okay. We know that O is at one end and Q is at another end. L is to the immediate left of M. Yes. P is sitting to the right of M but not next to Q. We'll try to solve here. Let's take it as Q and this as O. We'll try to solve. P is sitting to the right of. We'll write a P is sitting to the right of N but not next to Q. That means what? It should not be near to Q, right? So we'll try to write the answers here. Okay, let us imagine at this side it is O, and we'll write the which letter? P sitting to the right of M. P is sitting to the right of M. So this will be L and N, but not next to Q. Here there is no Q, so Q will be somewhere here, right? See, let us check the alignment. See, O is at one end, L is to the immediate left of M. Yes, right. P is sitting to the right of M, but not next to Q. So Q is here. So what we need to find? O is sitting third from the left. That is P. So the answer is P. Okay. Next we are moving to next question. Linear order height ranking. One second. Five people A, B, C, D, E are arranged in a increasing order of height. Okay. C is taller than A but shorter than D. C is taller. Let us write this as C but taller than A but shorter than D. Yes, right. This is correct, right? E is the tallest. Among this, E is the tallest person. Let me draw clearly. E is the tallest person among these five. Okay. B is the shorter than C. They told that B is shorter than C. It will be somewhere here, or we don't know, it may be here also. Okay. But according to the condition, it is here. Okay. Who is the second tallest? One, two. So D, answer D is the second tallest person. Right? Okay, let us solve this. Okay. Try to solve this one. P, Q, R, S, T, U are stacked vertically. B is vertically means like this, right? Horizontal means like this. Okay. R is above Q but below S. So to be clear, so I'm writing like this. Okay. R is above Q. So let us take it as R. It is above Q. But below, yes, right? P is below T but above Q. P is below, one second. P is below T but above Q, right? S is not at the top. So this is not at the top. U is at the bottom. So U is at the bottom. So what is the answer? We all know that Q is here. So Q is placed here and P will be here. One second. We have to see this one. If we are taking this ear, then this will be the top. So should not take this. We have to write it down. T is at the top and Q is ear. Sorry, not Q, P. Now let us read the conditions. R is above Q, yes, but below S, right? P is below T. Where is P here? Yeah. P, this is P, right? This is below T, but above Q, right? S is not at the top. At the top, we have T. U is at the bottom. Let's read out. This is the first, this is the second, this is the third. R is at the third position. So R is the answer. Right? Next one is floor based arrangement. X, Y, Z, W, V. So all are living in different floors. Y lives above X but below Z. Y lives above X but below Z. W is at the top. So W will be at top. V is below Y. Yes, right. O is in the second floor. Fifth, fourth, third, second, first. So V is at the second floor. Right? Yes. Understood? Okay, we'll move on to next. Try to solve this age ranking. Five friends A, B, C, D, E are ranked by age. B is older than D but younger than A. This B person, one second. This B person is older than D but younger than A. Right? E is the youngest person. So let us write year. C is older than A. That means year. S, right? Okay. Who is the second oldest? We can easily identify that A is the second oldest person. Right? Got it? Any doubt? Okay, we'll move on to next. Three students PQR study different subjects. Math, science, history. P does not study science. If he does not study science means he was studying maths and history. In this, any one of the subject is studying. Q studies with subject science. So Art studies neither science nor maths. Already science is studied by Q person, right? So R is studying maths. So R is studying maths, Q is studying science, and P is studying which is a left out subject. It is history, right? So history is the answer. Sorry, P this person P person studies history. But what is the question they are asked here? Who studies maths? So maths is studied by R. I'll repeat this answer once again. Three students PQR study different subjects: math, science, and history. P does not study. P does not study science means what are the left out subjects? Maths and history. In these two, you will study any one, right? Yes. Q studies with subject science. They are given here. So R studies neither science nor maths. Already science is studied by Q, so left out is maths. So maths. P is studying history because maths is studied by our student, our person. So what is the question here? Who studies maths? R, right? Yes. The student R studies math subject. The next topic is visual reasoning. In this is very simple concept and easy concept. In this, they'll give the question, they'll give the figure like this. We need to find in which given figures the figure which is given here it should be embedded. In the below question, one main figure, this is the main figure, is embedded in any of the four option figures. Find the option which contains main figure. See, like this figure in this option, in any one of the option, it will be embedded. So let us find out. One second. Okay. Let us, this one is similar to this. We'll check out. See, not possible because here the straight line is not there. So this is not the option. Here, here also we need the straight line, but here it is not continuous. So this is also not the option. We need to check with this. So we can go, yes. Next it has to come like this, but there is no line there. There is no line here. So this is also wrong. We'll check with this. Yes, yes, yes. This figure is embedded in the option A, right? This is how you need to solve the questions on visual reasoning. So this is the answer. Try to solve this. We'll check with this. The line is, see, the line should be here. Remaining, it is correct, but here the line is like this, but we need like this. So this is not the option. We'll try with this. Again, this is not the option. Um, See, ear to ear the length is bigger, but ear it is smaller one. But here it is bigger one. and here it is small, but here it is big, right? So it is wrong. Let's try with this. Yes, this main figure is embedded in the option D, right? This is how you need to identify. So what is next? One should be is embedded in any one of the option. So let us check. No, this is not the option. Line start like this. Yes, this is the correct option. This is how you need to find the answer. You have to find the exact figure on this. Okay, this is very easy. Find it out. Yes, this is the correct one. We can see directly. This is very simple one, right? This one is embedded in the option B. This is the wrong option. Yes, this is the correct one. The main figure is embedded in option B. Solve sixth one. Check this. Check with the every options which are given here. See, this line will satisfy this, but there is no line here, and here also it should be longer one, but here it is short. So this is not the answer. This is also not the. By looking into this, we can identify that this is not the option, right option. So this is also not the right option. We can find the answer by the elimination method also. See, these three are not the option, so obviously this will be the answer. So let us find it. Let's just cross verify. Yes, again like this. Yes, this satisfy the given figure. This one, yes, this. See, we can easily identify this one. Yes, right. The my main figure is embedded in the option D. So in this we can directly tell that this is not the right option. We have to check with this and this. We'll try to check this. See, this is also not the option. We want to check with between these two. The line here. Yes, option B is the right answer for this. So find for this. Obviously, this is not the right one. Even this is also not the right one. This is also not the right one. So this will be the answer. Let's cross verify. Yes, we have the straight line here and again a small triangle and here a line. So this is the correct option. So this one is very simple. See, this figure is not completed here, so this is not the option. So here it is in different shape and here it is in circle, and this is also not the right answer. Here, yes, it is very similar to this. So this figure is embedded in option C. So this is the right answer. These are the types of question we are going to get in visual reasoning. Okay, now we are moving on to Venn diagram. One second. Okay, out of the following Venn diagram, which one represent the relationship between the following? The question is animals or dogs. See, this horse and dogs come inside the animals, right? So, first let us first one second. First, let us draw this animals. Inside animals, we have horse and dogs, right? So, which option is correct in this? Obviously, this inside animals there are horse and dogs. This is not also wrong, and this is also wrong. This one is the correct option. Okay. How many people like tea and wine? The people, this people who take who likes tea or triangle. People who takes coffee, tea in circle. Person who takes wine. So let's take this color green. Yes, right. Okay. How many people like tea and wine? See, your wine is in green color. So the answer should be in this row. Okay. Then tea. Tea is written in which one? Triangle, right? So only the wine and tea. What is the answer? Only the wine and tea. People, how many people like tea and wine? So it is 17, right? See, this 17 peoples, one second. This 17 people likes tea and wine, right? This 15 people likes all the three, tea, wine, and coffee, right? This is and this only 20 people, 20 and 40 likes the only wine. This is how we need to find the answer. Here, 17 people like tea and wine. Okay. if they ask like how many people like tea, wine, and coffee, then your option should be 15. Right. 15 is in triangle also and in rectangle also in the circle. So if they ask for all the three, like tea, wine, and coffee, then answer will be 15. If the now they are asking only tea and wine, only tea and wine is 17. So answer is 17. Out of the following Venn diagram, which one represents the relationship between the following: Earth, Moon, Planet? What is the answer for this? This is very easy, right? See, Earth is a planet, right? So, inside planet will get Earth. So, Moon is not a planet. So, it is a satellite. So, it should be outside. So, which is the correct option in this? See, analyze it again. Earth is a planet. So first we have written the planet. Inside that we have written another circle which represent the Earth. So Moon is not planet, right? It is a satellite. So you're writing separately. So which is the correct option in this? This. Here, see here. Inside planet we are having Earth and moon is outside because it's a satellite. This is how you need to answer. Lotus, flowers, roses. Lotus and roses are flowers, right? So it should be inside flowers. So which is the correct option? This one, right? See, this big circle is flowers, and inside that we have two different circles because lotus is different and roses are different. So this is the right option. This is how you need to think logically and answer in Venn diagram problems. Ireland, Dublin, and Greece. What is the answer for this? Try to solve by your first. You need to draw the Venn diagram by yourself and find the option. Take this as your homework. Solve it by yourself. These are the Venn diagram. In this, one is the right one. We'll move on to next. Women, and mother. Women's in this is women and men, right? In women's few can be mothers. So this is W, this is M, that means mother, and this is man. This is the correct Venn diagram. See, in women's, all cannot be mothers, right? Only few. So I've written the circle like this. And men are different and women are different. So this is the right one. Men, women, and child. So men here, women here, child. Child can be, it can be boy or girl. That means it can be women or men. This is the Venn diagram. This is man, this is women, and this is the child. We don't know. It can be men or women. It can be boy or girl, right? So this will be the option. Bengaluru, Karnataka, India. How do you draw the Venn diagram for this? This is one of the easiest one. Where do I have Bengaluru? It is inside Karnataka and Karnataka is inside India. So first let us write Bengaluru. It is inside Karnataka and Karnataka is inside India. This is the Venn diagram for this. Right? Next one. Transportation system. Car and bus both are comes under transportation system, right? But car is different, bus is different. Right? This is the answer. Solve this. Water, fish, frog. See, let us take this circle as water. Fish will be inside the water, right? It cannot survive out of the water. So, fish will be inside water, but frog, both. It can live in water as well as in land. So, this is the Venn diagram for this. Next one is seating arrangement. This is also similar to the data arrangement. First, we need to read the given questions and condition. Then we need to draw according to that. Then we need to find out the answer. Linear row facing north. Any doubt here? Okay. 6 people A, B, C, D, E, F are seated in a row facing north. North means this direction, right? So 6 are there seated in a row facing north. B is sitting second from the left. The left is here, right? B is sitting second from the left. So first left is here, second left is here. D is to the immediate right of B. That means here immediate right means this side. D is immediate right of B. F is at one of the end. So let us take it here as well as here, but we don't know which end. So A is between C and E. See, A is between C and E. That means 3 alphabets. It should be placed here. So that the F will be placed here and here the 3 alphabets will be A is between C and E. Right? So what is the question? Who is sitting at the extreme right end? So it is E. E is the option. E is the answer. Six friends P, Q, R, S, T, U are sitting in a circle facing center. 6 members, right? This is how they are sitting and facing towards the center. R is sitting to the immediate left of P. So P is sitting here. P's immediate left means R is here, right? S is sitting opposite to T. That means ear, it should be ear itself, right? Opposite means. So S is sitting opposite to T. It can be ear, S can be ear and T can be ear. Okay. Let me write both the alphabets. U is between Q and T. U. U is between, sorry, U is between, U is between T and Q. See, P is sitting immediate left to R. P is sitting immediate left to, it means P is sitting immediate left means P is here, R is here because they're facing towards center. And S and T is opposite to, S is sitting opposite to T. So these two are like this. And U is between Q and T. U is between Q and T. It can be, sorry, this will be the option. Okay. Then O is sitting between P and S. P and S. So answer is R. Right? Four people A, B, C, D are sitting at square table facing center. Square table. One, two, three. Like this, these are the four positions to be seated. And the facing towards center. A sitting to the right of B. So let us take A is, B is ear, B is right. So ear. A is sitting right of B. C is sitting opposite to A. Opposite to A means ear. D is not next to C. So let us take it as a clockwise. Okay. A is sitting to the right of B. C is opposite to A. D is not next to C. So the remaining is D should be placed here itself, but the question is given wrong here. It is invalid data, right? Because B is sitting, sorry, A is sitting immediate right of B, right? Then C is opposite to A. That means like this only they have to be seated. D is not next to C. The remaining position is here, but it should be next to D. So the answer is invalid data or inadequate data. Okay. Six people PQR, they are sitting in row 1 and facing towards this side. Let us imagine like that. And X, Y, Z, they're facing opposite direction. Okay. P is opposite to Y. Let us take it as, let me write somewhere here. P and Y are opposite. They don't know in which position are there. R is to the right of P. If this person is here, is right means this side. So R is to the right of P. X is to the left of Z. So X is here. Left of Z means Z left side means this. They did not mention that immediate left. They have just mentioned that left. So it can be here also. So the remaining is P is written, R is written, and Q is left out. So the positions are R, P, Q, X, Y, Z. Let us read the condition. P is opposite to Y. Yes, they both are in opposite direction. Sorry, opposite to each other. R is to the right of P. R is to the right of P. They are facing towards this side. So R is to the right of P, right? P is right side means this side, so it is placed here, correct? X is to the left of Z, they are facing upwards. So X is to the left of Z, left side means this side. So it is obviously, it should be placed here. So what is the question here? O is opposite to R. Answer is X. Right? As A is CT, okay. Seven friends A, B, C, D, E, F, G sit randomly in a theater troupe. A sitting at the one end, C is sitting second and from left, F is sitting next to D, B is in the middle. Who is sitting second from the right? Try to solve this. What is the answer for this? Seven friends A, B, C, D, E, F, G sitting randomly in the theater. Let me write all the seven positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? E is sitting at one end. It can be ear or ear. Right? C is sitting second from the left. C is sitting second from the left. The left is this side, right? C is C is seated here. F is at sitting next to D. F can be FD can be like this or like this. B is in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So F and D, it can be ear. It should be ear because there is no two gaps here, right? So it should be ear itself. So next, A, B, C, D, E. F and J is not given. Who is sitting second from the right? So the second from the right is D. It can be D or F. Here also the data is inadequate, right? They did not mention at which side this both are mentioned, this both are seated, and also they did not give the G position and E, right? So even for this, it is the data is inadequate. Try to solve this. Take the picture of this. Okay, we'll move on to next one. Let me read the question. Eight friends P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W are sitting in a circle facing the center. P is sitting to the immediate left of Q. T is sitting opposite to S. U is sitting between V and T. R is sitting second to the right of S. O is sitting to the immediate right of U. Let us solve this. Circle 1. 8 people are there, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? P is sitting to the immediate left of Q. P is sitting immediate left of Q. Left side means this side. No. The facing which side? The facing towards center. Q's left side means here right. Q left means this side P. Right? T is sitting opposite to S. Question is wrong. So it should be T sitting opposite to S. T is here and it can be here or here also. U is sitting between V and T. So let us take this as V and this as U. V is sitting between, sorry, U, one second. U is sitting between T and V, right? R is sitting second to the right of S. Let us take it as S. So this cannot be the option because R is sitting to the second right of S. So your S, the S will be here and opposite this T, T and S, the position will be here because the second right should be possible to us to fill the positions. So see here, R is sitting second to the right of S. Okay. Then U is sitting between V and T so that your V will be here and U will be here. This is also possible, right? U is sitting between V and T. R is, this one is also given, which is not given here. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and W is here. What is the question here? O is sitting to the immediate right of U. U right side. So T. The answer is T here. You have to think in multiple ways when you are placing the arrangement. Okay. For this, the T is the right answer. We'll solve this. This is similar to previous one which we have solved, but they are facing towards center, but here they are facing towards outside. There are 4 positions. They're facing outside, so the facing outside, not in not towards the center. A is sitting to the immediate right of B. So if A is here, its immediate right means here, because the facing outside, the facing towards outside. So B right side means A is sitting immediate right of B. C is sitting opposite to B. D is sitting to the immediate left of C. Rest. See, this should be D is sitting immediate right of C. But yeah, they have given left. This should be right here. So, what is the given here? What is the question given? Who is sitting to the immediate left of A? A's left side, that is none other than B. Because they are facing outwards, the option is B here. Right? Take this and solve by yourself. 1 second. Okay, did you got the answer for this? Okay, we'll move on to next one. Try to solve even this also. Take this to as your homework and solve it by yourself. This is the one, this is first one, and this is the second one. We'll move on to next topic. Okay, before that, yeah, take this question completely. Yes. Now we'll move on to next topic, that is spatial reasoning. See, in this, by looking into the question itself, we have somewhat we understood, right, what will be the answer and how to do this type of question. See, what would be the 3D shape look like from above? So, look at the image which is given here and analyze from the top view. Which is the similar option for this? Which is similar option for this? This one, right? See, here the top, it is in L shape. Here also it is in L shape, and here one blocks are there. And here also a block. But here we cannot see that possibilities in these 3 options, right? So option A is the right one. First thing, we need to analyze the given diagram, then we have to choose the option according to that. Shape is the correct mirror image. Which is the mirror image for this? It should be like this, right? And so diagram should be like this, right? When it is in mirror image. So which is similar here? Obviously, for this the mirror image is A, right? Yes. See, this is not the mirror image of this. So this is this and this is similar. So this is not the mirror image. Here the given diagram is in this direction, but here it is reversed, and this is not the option. And here this one they have given correctly, but this one it is similar to the original image, so this is not the correct option. Here we can see the opposite one. So for this is the mirror image, and for this is the mirror image. So this is the option. Type 1 is they'll give you the image, then we need to find the option. Type 2 is and ask you to write the or find the mirror image. For that they'll give you the option, in that you need to find the mirror image. Let us solve for all the questions which I have given here. We'll find the mirror image for everything. See, for mirror, the word mirror, if the mirror is placed here, then what will be the mirror image of this? The R will be like this, and O will be like this. Again, the R will be like this. Again, the R will be like this. I will be like this, and M will be like this. Right? Is it clear why I'm writing here like this? If the mirror is placed here, then the image will be like this. If the mirror is placed downwards, then the M will be like this, I will be like this, your R will be like this, again the R will be like this, O will be like this, and like this. This is called the mirror image, then this is called as water image. Okay? Mirror image and water image. This is called as water image, and this is called as mirror image. Okay, for this, let us find the water image. If the water is here, then the image will look like same. C will be like this, A will be like this, N will be like this, and D will be like this, L will be like this, and E will be like this. Right? This is how we need to find. Let us find the mirror image for the word important. T, N A T R O P M I. If the mirror is placed here, then this will be the answer. If they can place the mirror here and they can ask the question, so you need to be perfect in this. So for this, if the mirror is placed here, let us find. I will be like this, N will be like this, A like this, and G will be like this, and E will be like this. Right? This is how we need to solve. Let us find the mirror image for all the diagram which I have given here. For this, the mirror image will be the same, right? The mirror image of this is this, it's like this itself, right? So this is the right one. For this, the mirror image will look like this. Any doubt in this? For this, the mirror image will look like how? Like this. For this, the mirror image will look like this. For this, the mirror image will look like this, right? And for this, the mirror image will look like this. For the same thing, let's find out the water image. For this, the water image will be, once again, the water image will be like this, right? For this, the water image will be same like this itself, right? For this, the water image will be like this and mirror image will be like this. Any doubt? For this, the water image will be like this. For this, the water image will be like this. Any doubt in that? For this, the water image for this, the water image will be like this, right? For this, the water image will be like this. Yes, right? See, if the mirror is placed here, the mirror image will be like this. If the water is placed here, the water image will be like this. Same way, if the mirror, so if the water image, if the water is placed here, then the image will be like this, like this. Even here also, if you place the mirror, the image will look like the same. If the mirror is placed here, then the image look like this. If the mirror is placed here, the image will look like this, right? Same way, if the mirror is placed here, it will look like this. If the mirror is placed here, it will look like this. If the mirror is placed here, it will look like this, and if it place it here, it will look like this. This is how we need to solve the spatial reasoning. Spatial reasoning is nothing but the mirror image and water image. They can give you the words like this, and they'll ask you for the arrangement. Okay, arrangement like they'll give you the option, the multiple option of the mirror image. Then you need to find the correct option of that. Otherwise, they can give you the objects like this. Then they'll ask you for the mirror image or water image. If they ask the water image, then you have to find this like this. If they ask for the mirror image, you have to find like this. Now we are moving on to the next topic, that is cut, folds and cubes. Cut, folds and cube. See, A, B, D, E, F are in the sequence, right? After B, it is D. This is connected with E. But by looking at this, we can directly tell that D and E are in the opposite directions, and C and A are in opposite faces, right? And this after B will get F. That also we can identify by looking at this. Look at here. These are the sequence. Yes, right? For A, C is opposite, right? And for D, F will be the opposite. For B, E will be the opposite. By looking at this, we can analyze which are the opposite faces. Look at this. For 4, it is 5 is the opposite. For 1, 2 is the opposite, right? So for 3, 6 is the opposite. Likewise, we can tell it for this also. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are in the sequence. This and this will be the opposite. For this, this will be the opposite. For this will be the opposite. See, they have given here. For this and this will be the opposite. Same way, this 2 will be the opposite. And for this and this will be the opposite. For this and this will be the opposite. Now, we have seen the opposite faces and continuous faces. Based on this, we are going to solve. Try to solve this by yourself. See here, we're having the opened dice, right? If it is closed, then how does it look? That we need to find out. See here, B, D, E, F are continuous. We all know that. And A and C should be opposite. But let us do the elimination method. Okay. See, A and C should be opposite, but here it is in continuous. So this is not the right one. This one, can you analyze? For D, F should be the opposite, but here it is next to D. So this is not the correct option. Look at this and this. When we fold, D and C will be next to each other, and also for D, E will be the next one, right? This is the possible, this can be the right option. Let's check with the D also. Okay, see, in this also, A is there, D is there, and E is there. But look at the alphabets. A is like this, and D should be like this. But here, the A is like this, and D will be like, when we remove D will be like this. It should be next one, right? But here it is in downways. Can you identify the small mistake which they have given made here? See, A next one. We can see, right? A is not like this, but here they have given A like this. So this is not the option. You should find the minor mistake, and so that you will find the answer. Try for this. See here. Let's solve the. This is the question. If we fold this option, one should match. So X, Y, Z. X, see, this Y should be like, in this you can analyze that X is like this and Y is like this, right? So this is not the right option, because the X should be like this and Y should be like this, but here it has given like this. You have to find the minor mistakes. Look at this, the Y's, that Z should be like this, but here they have given like this. When the Y's place it in this direction, the Z should be like this, but here it is like this. So this is not the right option. Think it out. The option should be between, the correct option should be C or D. Let us find it out. See here, they have made the mistake. See, X is here and Y is here, right? This Z should be here or here, right? When this is folded like this, the Z should be at here. So this is not the option, this is the right option. Because when we fold, we'll get the cube like this. You can try You can cut the paper like this and you can mark the faces and you can find this will be the answer. Fine for this. See, this one and this one will be connected, right? Then this two and this two. So let us see. Check it out now. This should be connected with this one. This is also one of the possible way, because two faces like this and above will get the coverage like this, and in this is one of the difficult one. Try to find out. See here, when we are folding this and this face should be next to each other, but here they have given this, so this is not the option. Next we'll check with this option. See, this is connected to this, so it will look like this, and the top one will be this. So this is one of the option. We'll check it out with this. See, when these two are connected, the top one will be, this one should be this side, but here they have given here it should be this block, so this is not the option. Next, this should be connected with this, yes it is, but what is the problem? When it is like this should be nearest to the white one, because here the white, for this the white one is connected, but here what happened, here it is connected with the dark shade, so this is not the option. We can directly tell that by looking into this. Again, this is also not the answer, right? So again, analyze between these two. The correct option is B. We'll analyze it again. See here, it is a darker shade. It is connected to the white. When you fold, it will be connected to the white space, and it will be covered with this block, this face. So here we have this. When it is closed, we need to have this face, right? Think it out. We have to have this one, and this should this this will be the opposite face, and for this and this will be the opposite face. Now, when it is folded, the shape never, sorry, this will be in continuous form. But here, once it is like this, and another one again it is like this. So this is not the right option. See, check with this. See here, white, black, white, black, black, white. White, white, Okay, this can be one of the option because when we fold, See in this, see in this option, B is the right one because see here, for this will be the continuous phase, right? And this also will be the, see we have the continuous phase and it will be covered with the top phase, it is this. So the B option is the right one. And for this and this will be the continuous phases, right? Once again, yes, we'll find out for this. Okay, for this and this will be the opposite one, right? For this and this will be the opposite face, and for this will be the opposite one. We'll check out. See here, the all are in this direction, but here it is like one is like this and one is like this, so this is not the option. In this, think that when, so this we know that this is not the option because one is like this, one is like this, but here all are in this direction. So next, when you fold, this and this will be next to each other, right? So this could be the one of the option. Next, see here, like this. Okay, one is dark shade, white shade, dark shade, white shade, again dark shade, white shade. So this could be the option if you think like this way, like dark white. So this could be the one of the option. And in this, one is like this and one is like this, so this is not the right option. Check with this to analyze it. Neither B or C will be the answer. Okay, when we fold like this, it can these two faces will be next to each other, right? So this and this, so this also possible one. And in this, see, when we turn like this, we can see dark white. So dark white, this is also one of the right option. In this, if you find the option like either, yeah, B or C, then that is the option. Check with this. Okay, see, in this the correct option is this, because I'll tell you the answer, I'll tell you the reason. See here, this is in this way, it is connected with the three dots. If it is folded here, then this will be connected like this, so it is satisfying. Again the two dots, so this five, after five the two dots will be connected like this, after five that two dots are connected here. So this is the option. I'll tell why these three are not the right options. See, look at here, 1, 5, 6. When we fold, this is not the possible way we're going to get. So this is not the option. Look at this. Okay, look at this. For, okay, look at C1. C is here, and the next phase, like when you were folding, these two will be connected. They're telling like that. And also 4. See, for 6, see, it is given like this, and for this is satisfying, but the 5, it is not next to 4, right? It is next to 2, but it is not next to 4. So this is not the option. Look at the D option. Oh, 4 is given like, see, I've written here, this is like, when you're folding, it should look like 1 2 3 4. After that, 1 2 3 4 5 6. It should look like this. But in this, it is like 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2. It is like between these two, between these three dots, we are getting two dots like this. Between these two, we are getting two dots like this. Between these two, we are getting two dots like this. But here, see the dots. It is in continuous. See here, it is continuous, right? But here, it's not continuous, right? So this is also not the option. By doing elimination method also, we can find the right answer. For this, the B option is the right one. Yes, right? Okay. Today, we have completed the topics. What are the topics we have completed today? What are the topics we have Yes, today we have completed. Yes, today we have completed the data arrangement, visual reasoning, Venn diagram, seating arrangement, spatial reasoning, cuts, folds, and cubes. Today's topics. Again, sorry for the inconvenience. Today we have completed the 6 topics in logical reasoning. Okay, if okay, thank you all for joining today's session. See you next time.